What's up guys? It's Mila at WTI. Are you looking for a sports bra that's super comfortable and super cute? I got this by Runner Girls sports bra in red python, and I think it does exactly what every girl is looking for. It's very comfortable and very supportive. If you're anywhere from a double D and lower and you're going for a run or doing some type of cardio where you're moving up and down, this should provide you with enough support. Granted, you're going to have to get a size that truly fits you well. If you over order on a size, then obviously you're going to get less support. But I got a medium and that works great for me. The material is very nice. I feel like it's super soft and silky on the inside and outside. If I'm doing jumping jacks or a HIIT video at home, I am using this bra. It provides just what I need, where I need it, when I need it. I really think it's super cute and super comfortable, and it serves the purpose that I need it for. That's my point of view.